2012 Volkswagen Jetta. We are changing out the radio. We're putting a Pioneer radio and a backup cam. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this trim out, and it should be screws underneath. So use a panel pop to carefully pop out the black trim. They are very thin. Carefully pry that out. Okay, once you have them out, there should be 4 screws right here. We are putting a Pioneer DMH-W3000 NEX. It's a wireless Carplay Android Auto. We are doing a Boyo plate cam. We bought a dash kit. This is the radio dash kit. Scosche VW2317AB. He bought a USB that he wants to put it in the glove box. And a Crux interface module, SWR VW52. This one does a steering wheel control as well as the interfacing the audio system. That's that. So the interface module harness, the color to color. A few people said, you didn't show me how to wire up. That's because red goes to red, yellow goes to yellow, black goes to black. I didn't think it need to show, but if you wanted to see it, all colors match. Whatever don't match, don't use. Simple as that. That's why we don't show it, but some people didn't quite understand. That's what it's got to be. Obviously, first step is to remove the license plate out. We're going to take this back panel out, and this, where the hand goes into, there are torque screws here, another one here. We're going to remove them. We're going to remove this trunk skin. You need a panel popper. Put glass open. So once you have them out, you can remove this small trim out. We're going to run wire through here, either here or there. So these come out. You are pushing these tabs. There's 4 of them, but usually if you pry the front, you can take out the whole thing. Same thing over here. Now you can run the wire through. So we're going to use this snake to run the wire through it. Lift this panel up. It's going to go underneath. And we're going to run it all the way up to the top by the radio. Wait, let me see something. Put some WD-40 on it. That's good. Try one, see if the AM works.
Yeah, well, this wouldn't fit in that.
Wire through here, run it down here. Put this up here. As I said, put some silicone, make it easier to pass through any kind of ground if they are tight.
recording?
Is it real fake?
Yeah, no real one. Real. Okay.
This cam is LED on and off, so we apply that wire to the reverse wire. So it comes on when you put it in reverse. We're going to test one wire. One of them has to be backup cam, reverse wire. That just simply disconnect from here. It's in reverse?
Look at this.
It is? Try out. Okay, what color is it?
Blue, black blue.
Black blue is a reverse wire on the passenger side.
45,000. Cheap.
Real cheap.
I knew. Sometimes happen.
Microphone up here, you run it above, come down to the pillar, come down, then you can snip the wire behind the robots. Side panel comes out, it's easier to run the wire. So we are using this plastic rod, so it comes out to that end, and attach the microphone wire there. Tape the microphone and GPS antenna to the rod. So we got the antenna and the microphone ran one shot. It's running the RCA from the back.
No fit. GPS. Okay. USB. Try this. Easy. 30 minutes there.
Go the way in, don't do like the other one. Go the way in. It's beautiful.
Return to the basic how to remember. Yeah, pues, I again.